If you want to maintain your privacy while using TripAdvisor, you can hide your online status. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Login. Visit the TripAdvisor website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username at the top of the page. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled privacy or privacy settings. Click on it to access your privacy options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, locate the option related to your online status. You may see options to show or hide your online presence. Select the option to hide your online status. Step 5. Save changes. After making your selection, be sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on TripAdvisor and enjoy a more private browsing experience.